In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable the Windows Spotlight feature on your Windows 11 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result, you come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, select personalization. And then on the right side, you want to scroll down and select where it says lock screen. Where it says personalize your lock screen, click the drop down and select Windows Spotlight. And that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.